Hi there, welcome back to another video of simple ways of useful tips. Right, in this video, we will show you simple techniques of how to turn pictures like this, crop it into special auto shapes that looks impressive and beautiful like this. Alright, stay tuned, and if you like to be first to be notified of future videos that are uploaded, please click subscribe or click subscribe on top. Okay, and then let's dive right in. The first step to cropping the picture that you want into an auto shape that you like is to get your pictures ready in the folder. Then open up PowerPoint in a new slide. Next is to click on the auto shape here and select any shape that you want. In this case, I would like to first try on a circle. Okay, I'll left click and drag. By doing that, I will form a rounded shape. It can be an oval shape in this case. If I want a perfect circle, I will click on Shift at the same time while I drag until the size that I want. Then I release both. Okay, and then I'll show you two ways of filling in or inserting a picture into this shape. Okay, one is to right click on the picture, and then you will see a field here. Click on Field, click on Picture. Okay, from a file, click on from a file, and from the folder that you want, you have saved your file, click on the picture, and then the picture will be inserted into the auto shape. Okay, in this case, I also would like the circle to be rounded to make it look like a logo that is about the same size as the wordings. I will right click on it, okay, and this time round I can click on outline. Okay, and I'll increase the weighting, alright, to a thicker line. And I also want it to be dark in color. Same, right click, outline, choose black. Cool, I have my logo ready. Okay, and in this case, you can see there it is one picture. Alright, let me demonstrate another one. Okay, first thing, click on the slide, click on shape, and another shape that I would love to use will be heart shape. Okay, click on same thing. If I were to click on Shift, it will be a perfect heart shape, but in this case I want it to be irregular. Alright, so in this case, this shape. Okay, and I let go. Alright, it'll be ready for me to insert the picture. Okay, so the other method I'm inserting is double click on the picture. It will be in the Format tab. Alright, click Field, Shape Field. Okay, picture. Same thing from File. This time I want the cat then. See, beautiful cat. Okay, and if you do not want the lines, same thing, double click on the picture, go to Shape Outline and No Outline. Then there will not be any more line. Perfect. My shape here. Alright. Okay, and I got this cat picture from pixel.com. Alright, beautiful pictures there for you to download. Alright, so there we go. We have two different auto shapes with pictures inserted in them. Wonderful. With this technique, you'll be able to create pictures in special auto shapes that will impress or wow your audiences or students right in your slides. Okay, you can use pictures like this to add into as special effects. Alright, for example, okay, you can create shapes with that glows, right? Or you can copy this and add it into the slides that you have. Control V, and then you can add it in as another point or anything that will attract attention in your activity or your slides. Alright, and I hope you like this. Okay, if you like to be notified on first hand any new videos that will be uploaded in the future, please click subscribe at the bottom or click this round button here to subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you again. Take care.